Welcome to a quick overview of the Logos 5 program. Think of Logos 5 as a library building filled with research assistants ready to help you get the most out of the books you have bought. I'll quickly show you around the program and make sure you know how to find helps for using every feature you will see. Before we get started with the tour, I recommend you do two things. First, if possible, have the Logos program open so you can pause this video and click around in the program. Second, have something handy to write on. So when you see a feature that intrigues you, you can pause this video, write down the name of that feature, and find training helps on it later. In addition to the help manual, in the program we have at least one training video or article on the Logos website for every feature I will show you. Just go to www.logos.com/videos. Trust me, spending a few minutes now learning to use Logos will save you hours of time and frustration later. So you want to know the fastest way to find information about anything you see in the program? Look up here in the top right corner. Click on the circle with the question mark in it, then on Logos Bible Software Help. In this window, type the name of anything you see in the program. Then click on the arrow or hit your Enter key. Then click on the title you want. So don't forget, need help? Use the help manual. So let's close the help manual by clicking on this small X, which is how you close anything you open in Logos, and we'll start our tour. First, let's find your books. Go to the top left corner of the program and click on the picture of the book, your library. And there they are, in alphabetical order. To open a book, just click on its title. Or go back to the library, click in the Find window, and type in the title or author, and let the library find the book for you. Click on the title, and it opens up. Let's go back to the library. You don't see all your books, do you? That's because something is typed in the Find window. Delete that information, and you'll see all your books again. Let's open two more books. Oh, and by the way, Logos refers to these as resources, not books, but resources. So if you're wondering what all this is, and what all this is, look for helps on resources, not on books, but resources. Let's take a quick look at the resources that are open. You see the titles are in the tabs. Click on a title to show the resource. You can move the resource windows around the screen by putting your cursor over the title, then holding down the mouse button, and dragging the titles around the screen. The highlighted area shows you where the resource will be when you release the mouse button. So just real quick, let's look at your books. Here's your table of contents. Click on anything to jump to that page. Click here to close the table of contents. Right-click on any word. You'll find lots of options in this window. Touch on any word in the text to show its information in this information window. The last thing I'll show you in your resources is how to display your reverse interlinear Bibles, if your resources include them. If you open a Bible and see these two items in the toolbar, that Bible contains a reverse interlinear, which you can show in two ways. Click on Display, and then in the box next to Inline to reveal the interlinear in each line of text. Use these boxes to add or remove information from this area. Or close the inline by removing the check mark next to Inline, and click on this symbol to show the information, one line at a time, at the bottom of the text. Again, for information on all the things you can do in your resources, check for helps on resources, not books, in both the help manual and the Logos training video webpage. So let's leave these resources open and continue on our tour. Click on the magnifying glass up here. This opens the search window. This one window contains several search options. If an option is not in your search window, this simply means that your product licenses do not include that feature. You will have at least the basic and Bible search options. Think of this search window as a concordance not just for Bibles, but for all your resources. This window is where you search for the occurrence of words or phrases in your Bibles and other resources using any of these options you see in the window below. To learn about each option and the search parameters you can set in this area, use the training helps on each option. But right here in the window for each feature, you have suggestions on how to get the information you want. So again, the magnifying glass search only searches for the occurrence of words or phrases in your resources. Go ahead and close the search window. Continuing on our tour, we're going to jump over this feature, Documents, so I can show you another great search feature in Logos. Click on Guides. This is where you search for all your resources for information on something. You can pause this video and touch on each guide in the list to see a short description. You can even create your own guides, custom search engines that will only search for the types of information you want. Again, the help manual and other videos and articles will help you get the most out of each of these guides. So, just a reminder, use guides to search for information on something. Use search to search for the occurrence of something. Okay, let's go on to Documents. These are all the things you can create in the Logos program. Again, you can pause this video and touch on each item in this list for a short description. Check the help manual or the training page at logos.com for information about each feature in this list. Since we're talking about things you can create in the program, it's good to know that anything you create in the Logos program, such as custom guides, a note, a reading plan, anything, will be sent from your computer to your secure and private backup account here at Logos. This is called syncing, short for synchronizing. This means that you never have to worry about losing the work you have created in the program. It's all securely and privately stored for you for future installations. This also means that the information you create on one computer will automatically sync to another computer on which you are using the Logos program. These two little arrows up in the top right corner are your sync arrows. When they are spinning, it means the program is checking for information that needs to be sent to or downloaded from your backup account. Also, you can install our free apps on most mobile devices, iPhone, iPad, Android, and Kindle Fire, and access your books and much of your created information on them too. For information on our free apps, just go to www.logos.com, click on Support in the top right, and then on the picture of your mobile device. Okay, so let's move on to Tools. This is where you'll find lots of, well, tools for manipulating things in the program. Again, by touching on each item, you can see brief descriptions for each feature in this menu. Of course, you'll find detailed information in the help manual. The only thing we'll really look at in the Tools menu is Program Settings. This is where you can set your preferences in the program. Touch on the question mark for a description. Click on a triangle to see the options for each feature. You might even want to pause this video right now and check out all the options in Program Settings. So let's close Program Settings and move on to the command window. Use this window to give the program, well, commands, such as telling it to close all the resources on the screen, to read a book to you, to set a font type, and so much more. To find all the commands that Logos will respond to, open the help manual, type in command, click on Command Box, and here's a list of commands. Scroll down, and here's information on each command. Let's use a command to close all these books. Click in the command window and type in the two words, Close All. Then click on the arrow or hit your Enter key. Commands are handy shortcuts that save you time. And speaking of shortcuts, this area is reserved for your shortcuts. For instance, if you have a resource you will want to open often, you can create a shortcut. Just open that resource, touch on the title and hold down the mouse button, then drag the tab up to this area and release the mouse button. Close the resource on the screen, and then just click on this shortcut to open your resource. Check for all the shortcut options in the help manual. So let's close this resource using the Close All command again and continue on our tour. We've already looked at the sync arrows, so let's check out Layouts. Because it's so helpful, I'm going to briefly explain this feature. When you click on Layouts, you can see tiny snapshots of what you've been doing in Logos. Let's say you really like the way you set up these books and would like to open them just like this at any time. Just click on the snapshot and then click on Save As or Save as Named Layout and type in the name you want. Click away from the Layouts window, then click on Layouts again. You'll find that layout listed over here. Click on the layout name to open it. You can create as many layouts as you want. You can even tell Logos to open to a particular layout when you start the program. Do this by going to Tools, then Program Settings. The option for the first one in the Program Settings window will help you do this. Again, the tips on using layouts are in the help manual. We're nearly done with our tour, so I want to finish by showing you the home page. Go all the way over to the top left corner and click on the little house icon. This reveals or hides your home page. The home page is like a multi-page newspaper that displays information for your resources, pulls informative articles from the Logos website, and gives you information on new products and sales. To the left is the ribbon. If you own Bibles, this is where you choose your favorite or preferred Bible, the translation that will open when a feature in Logos automatically opens a Bible. You can pause this video right now and choose your preferred Bible if you like. You can edit what you see in both areas by clicking on this little gear. This section edits what you see in this ribbon, and this section edits what you see in the home page. Whatever is checked will show in that window. We'll end our tour by using the Homepage Go box, an all-purpose search feature. If you type in a topic, this activates all the search features. If you type in a scripture reference, this activates the passage guide and exegetical guide, plus other information windows. It's a quick and easy way to find information in your resources. And that's your basic tour of the Logos 5 program. Don't forget to spend a little time learning about the features that most intrigued you. I guarantee it will be worth it. I hope you will enjoy using Logos as much as I do. God bless you in the study of His Word.